The timeless lesson of the patient ant and the towering mountain. At the base of a towering mountain lived a tiny ant. Every morning she carried a grain of food upward, slipping, falling, yet never quitting. The mountain mocked her daily, saying, "You are too small and weak." The ant replied calmly, "I am small, but my patience is endless." Seasons changed, rain fell, winds blew. Still the ant continued. One day she reached the top, not because she was strong, but because she was patient. The mountain stood tall, but learned a lesson. True power lies not in size, but in perseverance. Moral: patience, faith, and consistency turn small efforts into great success.